The MoversSuiteCrew mobile application provides leads with some additional features. They include the ability to set the dispatch status on a service, punch multiple people in or out at a time, update actual counts for packing, material, and equipment, and the ability to update and approve time entries through Movers Connect. The dispatch status displays within the job information, and from the info screen you can tap on the status. From this screen, you can select the current status of the job and press the green check mark to confirm. The information updates for the service automatically. Status changes are visible within MoversSuite as well. On Assigned Crew, you can view the current punch status of the crew. Additionally, you can punch in or punch out one or more crew. Tap on Punch In and select the activity you wish the crew assigned to. Once a selection is made, tap the crew you want added and press Punch In. Provide the date and time using the rolling selector and press the green check mark to confirm the request. The status updates to reflect the current crew assignment. Likewise, if you wish to punch a crew out, you can do so in a similar fashion. Press Punch Out. Select employees from a list of those who are currently punched in by tapping on the ones you want. Press Punch Out. Provide the punch-out time and confirm the request. Back on the info screen, you can update actuals for assigned equipment, materials, and packing and unpacking. Open the counts you wish to update and press on Update Actuals. The screen now displays an Actuals column. Tap on the entry you wish to update and enter the updated amount. If the item is quantity-based, then a simple keypad displays. Likewise, if the actuals are time-based, a rolling date scroller appears. Update the entry and tap elsewhere on the screen to close out of the selector. When all the updates are made, press Done to save the changes. If the new entry is different than the previous entry, then the item shows in orange on the screen. You can update the other counts listed under the other categories in the same manner. As a lead, you have the ability to edit and approve punches. Access to the site is available through the Review, Approve, and Edit Punches option from the account screen. You may find it a little easier to view the screen through an iPad or computer. To access this site from a computer, enter the URL of http://www.moversconnect.net/. Provide the same company ID and credentials you used to log into MoversSuite with. Click on Crew Time. Provide a single date or date range for a search. If you want to quickly access your punches during the date range, then use the Search Punches by Dates option. This list provided includes only your punches for the date range specified. You can review each entry. If an entry looks good, you can select it by placing a check in the Select column and press the Approve button. A confirmation is returned to you and the Is Approved flag is set for the selected items. If you go back to the list, you can see that the Edit option is no longer available. Once the entry is approved, it is sent to MoversSuite and cannot be updated from this site. If you need to update the punch times, then you can edit the entry. Information on the job and the punch display at the top of the screen. Then there is a list of punch entries. All punches occurring within the mobile app show with the source of app. You can use this section to create an additional entry, also known as an audit entry, and it shows under a source of web. The last time entry you approve is what is sent to MoversSuite. If you choose to approve it, then this last entry is what is logged into MoversSuite. You can override this entry by updating the punched in and punched out values below. Changes made here are added as an audit entry when Save is pressed. When editing the punch date and time, you'll need to manually enter the values in the format shown here. A common error you may encounter is overlapping time entries. The application prevents you from adding time entries for an individual that overlap work on the service or any service for the given day. If you receive this error, take note of the punch period. Then review the punch list for the day and make sure that the last entry made does not overlap any approved times. Then update the punch by submitting a corrected audit entry that does not conflict with any others. You also have options to mark the entry as overtime, mark it as approved, and enter a comment regarding your update. If you wish to review the punch activity for all crew members, then you can utilize the Search Services by Dates option. This produces a list of services that you are associated to for the given date range. Click on Crew Time of a particular service to view all punches for all crew members assigned to the service. From this view, you can click on Select to select all non-approved punches and press the Approve button to process them quickly. All entries with the punch-in and punch-out time are included in the approval. You can also edit and approve the items individually, such as when a punch time is missing. Again, when you edit an entry, you are adding an audit entry in which you can approve that overrides the original entry.